I'm Chad Quinn at Bearded Van Life. We are sitting in Althea. She is a 2022 170 extended 4x4 Mercedes Sprinter van. I'm a space planner and interior designer by trade and profession, and a freelance photographer. I designed the entire interior, and Ross Monster Vans out of Longmont, Colorado did the build out for me. Althea got her name. Obviously, it's a very well-known song title by the Grateful Dead. I'm a huge fan. We pulled almost all the Mercedes badges off, and we did some custom Grateful Dead badges throughout the van, including a custom 3D printed Steal Your Face logo on the rear Mercedes badge. The van was built specifically designed to go anywhere. At the end of the day, being a full agile rip kit, you know, exterior wheels and tires. So the vehicle is very capable, can pretty much go anywhere I desire, whether it be for photography or for just travel in general. Right now, we are filming this literally in the most perfect setting, but we are swarmed by mosquitoes as we film this. So we set up the front of the van with factory swivel seats from Mercedes-Benz, and we set up a lagoon table realistically for just guests. I find myself sitting back at my desk the majority of the time. This is so that I can have friends hang out and we can maybe have dinner or just kind of gather inside the van. This is an Isotherm 200, Cruise 200, fridge and freezer, dedicated freezer. So it's a very large fridge for a van of this size. Specifically from a design perspective, we put it in the largest place in the van, in the alleyway, like where you walk into the van. So it's easy to open up. I can go probably 2 weeks with, you know, a full load of groceries. Has dedicated freezer, so I can freeze meat, I can, you know, keep ice cream, whatever I want in here. This is kind of the galley setup, or my sink setup. The sink is an 18-inch stainless steel sink made by Kraus. Stainless steel faucet with soap dispenser. It's a fantastic product. We have the outside flip-out table, and then specifically the design of the countertops. This is a white Corian countertop, solid surface countertop, and we did what is called a waterfall edge, commonly seen in interior design aesthetics. For me, a key design feature of the van was dedicated trash can. I feel like trash is an afterthought in a lot of van designs, so we specifically designed the entire van to make sure to have a full real size trash can. So the entire driver's side of the van, we did an open concept with an open countertop. So it serves as a cooking countertop and it serves as my desk, and we'll get to that in a minute. But I have 2-burner induction. So the entire van runs off of my electrical system. There's 0 propane in the van. I have 600 amp hours of batteries. I have a 3000 watt Victron inverter, and I have 200 watts of solar on the rooftop. There's 0 light switches in the entire van, and the entire system is run by the Firefly system. So I can turn all of my lights on and off throughout the van, and I also have a master switch that turns everything off instantly. We did 2 rows of drawers, pretty simple, all push button latches, kind of marine style latches. So this is all like cooking utensils, and then as we go further down, the drawers get bigger and they are more just kind of cooking supplies, pots and pans. One of the key factors or key design features of the van was a usable shower. A shower that was big enough that I could shower in twice a week, and I shower in it twice a week. It is 37 inches wide by 24 inches deep. It is a solid piece of aluminum. We have a teak floor, so you're standing off of the bottom of your shower. There's enough space in this shower for me to shower with the composting toilet where it is currently. One of the other big factors for me to be able to shower 2 or 3 times a week is this Nebbia shower head. The shower head saves probably 65% of what a standard shower head will save you in terms of water usage. And it's also not a stream of water, it's a mist of water. So it's a very pleasurable shower experience. We've got the closable shower door. It squeegees itself off as you close it. I've got 40 gallons of fresh water on board, so obviously that is a big factor in allowing me to shower as much as I do. I've got an Airhead composting toilet. It was selected for its compact size and shape. Basically, the last upper cabinet has become kind of the tech cabinet or the brains of the van. The first system in here is the Aqua Hot System. It is my heat and hot water. So on the screen, I have 3 separate heating zones in the van that I can turn on and off independently. So I can heat certain parts of the van by themselves or turn them all on together as one. It's also what I turn on to deliver hot water to my sink in my shower. And it's instant hot water. Happens simultaneously. It's a fantastic system. Along with the shower, I've got 15 gallons or 17 gallons of gray water underneath the van, and it is controlled on a pneumatic dump valve, which is this button basically. Also inside this cabinet is a PepWave router. I work full-time on the road, and being connected is something that I have to have. So the PepWave system has an antenna on the roof. It also has a router that uses 4G SIM cards, so you can have 2 SIM cards from 2 separate wireless providers, and you can get basically internet anywhere you are. Working as a consultant full-time on the road, having a dedicated desk in a place that I could work for many, many hours was a very, very key part of the design. So behind the driver's side and along with this very long kitchen cabinet, we set up a dedicated desk. We bought an additional Mercedes chair direct from Mercedes, and we set up a chair based on the dimensions for myself. So it is literally the most comfortable spot in the van, and I could sit here with my laptop and work for hours. Right behind the shower, we set up 2 upper and lower cabinets. The upper cabinet was kind of a hanging closet, additional closet space. Serves really great for winter coats in the wintertime, puffies, etc. And then the lower cabinet is a full-size safe. Inside the van, or the rear part of the van, is a full-size queen. The 170 extended allows me to sleep this way, but also we've added the flare space flares so I can sleep horizontally as well. Directly above the van, or above my bed, is a pneumatic 3,000 watt AC unit. It's a 12-volt system. It's absolutely fantastic. And then the 2 upper cabinets above my bed house all of my clothes. Also inside the bed, we've got a small little 24-inch TV. We've got Apple TV connected to it, and also a small dish network set up on the roof as well. So on the rear of the vehicle, we've got the Rocky Mounts dual bike rack. Got the Alvan's Sherpa carrier with the Alvan's small size, or I think it's medium size box, and then the Alvan's exterior rear tire carrier. So inside the garage, we basically have 3 dedicated systems. We needed a system for my bike, we needed a system for my skis, and we needed a system for extra storage. So we put 2 trays on 500-pound slides, 1 for my bike, 1 for storage, and the ski rack is on the side of the wall. So this tray was dedicated for 6 Yeti storage boxes that I can easily get to and access at any given time for extra gear and storage. And then the opposite side is dedicated for my bike. Thank you so much for checking out my van tour. Althea is near and dear to my heart. It's been a huge kind of passion project for me. I'm super happy with the design. If you want to follow along, please check out my Instagram at beardedvanlife. And if you enjoy photography, you can check out my photography page at beardedimage. And hope to see you out on the road.
I hope you enjoyed that video. If you hadn't noticed, we do sell an ebook for how to convert a van. It has over 190 pages of detailed instructions and diagrams, also 25 video tutorials which are specifically for the ebook buyer. Creating a van for many people is obviously a really intimidating project, but I really believe, and I've seen it time and time and time again, that with the right information, anyone can turn out with a pretty decent van conversion. So check the link in the description, subscribe to the channel if you are not already, and drop us a comment if you like this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week.